Guys, the heat in Nigeria, in Abuja to be precise, is something else. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oma and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to check my other videos and see if you would like anyone to watch. And also if you're not a first timer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Okay, so in today's tutorial, of course from the title you can tell it's a wig tutorial featuring, I'm going to be using the Riverwood extensions. I got this with my monies and this is what I'm going to be working with. It's not sponsored, but I got it with my money and I wanted to try it out. Okay, so I'm going to be starting the tutorial real quick. Let me just quickly unbox the extensions, and straight up from the pack it comes with this dust bag. It comes in this box. This is what it comes in. Now let me just quickly unbox it. So once you open the box, this is what it looks like inside it. So in the box it came with is a pair of lashes, a wig cap, a liner wig cap, and then the extension. So this is the closure that it comes with and the hair bundles. And I'm just going to quickly open that. Oh, doesn't smell bad. So these are the 3 bundles that I'm going to be working with. And the hair is really soft, guys. It's really soft. So let's get into this tutorial, shall we? To start with, I'm going to be using a dome cap for my wig installation, and also you're going to be needing a mannequin head to place your wig cap. So while making a wig, if you're using either a closure or a frontal, the first step is always to sew in your frontal or your closure. This way you would know the remaining part that is left out for the bundles. This will also help you to measure out your bundles and how you're going to sew that down. Okay, so right now I am sewing down the closure. So now that I'm done sewing down the closure, the next step is to install the bundles to the wig cap. Now the method I'm going to be using today is the U method. There are other types of method that you can use to sew down your wig, and in upcoming videos I'm going to be showing you different styles. But for today I am using the U method sewing. Now what this simply means is I am going to be starting from the front end of the wig cap and going all the way around to the other end, and in this motion I'm going to be forming a U. That is why it's called a U method. So I'm going to be going in a U motion till I get to the end of the wig. It's as simple as that. So keep on watching.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud 9. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you, you.
So I'm I'm done installing the first bundle, and this is what it looks like. I'm going with bundle number 2.
Feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the beer was all over her. Trust we ain't no amateurs, now we got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd, smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning, some are lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you, about you, about you.
Okay, now we're done sewing in bundle number 2, and that is the space that is left up. And now we're going in with bundle number 3, and this is going to be the final bundle to just wrap everything up. Okay guys, I'm done sewing in the whole bundles to the wig cap, and the next step now is to cut off that excess part. So you know when you sew down the bundle, the excess part that I'm showing you now on the wig cap, I'm going to cut it out, and this would enable the closure to have that skin-like effect on your hair.
To get the vibe right, don't feel like having a Bud Light, how's tequila with some salt and lime. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking to just.
Okay guys, it's time for me to try on the wig, and the closure that I got is a free part. So I am going to be making the closure in a center part. So I'm making a part right now to my liking, basically.
Blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning.
So next up, I am going to be spraying the hair down with some leave-in conditioner and water, and this is going to give you that water coils, and I like the water coils as opposed to it having that full look, and that is what I just did here. So that is pretty much it for this wig tutorial. You can see how the hair turned out and how different it looked when it was dry, and how the curls usually pop when you just spray a little bit of conditioner, leave-in conditioner and water, and that is pretty much all you need for this hair. I love the versatility of the hair. Basically, it is very easy to maintain. As you can see, it didn't take me that much time. So thank you so much guys for watching up until this point. If you learned something, do leave it down in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and this way I know you like this kind of videos. All right guys, and if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. I'm going to be ending this video here, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.